Want to know how to change your language on TikTok app? Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from Take My Life and today I'm going to walk you through the process of changing your language on TikTok. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. Firstly, tap on the TikTok app on your screen. Now tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner of your screen. Tap on the settings and privacy option at the last. Now scroll to the bottom. Under the heading of content and display, you can see the language option. Tap on the language option. At the top, you can see the app language option. Tap on it. Here, you can see numerous languages that are available. Now select the language you want to change. After selecting the language, tap on the down button at the top right corner of your screen. So this is how you can change your language on TikTok app. Thank you for watching Take My Life. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.